So children, after market regulations, we'll be talking about the Deccan conquest of Alauddin Khilji. And the policy which he adopted for his Deccan expedition, they are very famous. And you will see the kind of planning, the kind of strategy Alauddin Khilji used to make. And you will also marvel at this particular man. And when we can't ignore the time period when he had to happen. He was ahead of his times, everybody says. And they are right. For Deccan conquest, the hero was Malik Kafur. He was Alauddin Khilji's general who did everything for him as far as Deccan is considered. Deccan is which area? You understand it very well. Your geography I am not going to revise. But this, the meaning of the word Deccan, I want the answers in GCR. Please type it out. What do you understand? When we talk about South India and when we say Deccan, what is the difference? Are they the same? Please write the answers so that we can understand that you know this. So Malik Kafur was the name of the general who did things for Alauddin Khilji as far as Deccan conquest is considered. And please understand, when the bosses take care of their people, then they do things for them. Malik Kafur worked in the same manner as Alauddin Khilji would have done. This is a life skill. When you take care of what goes around, that comes around. It's life is a full circle. So when we take care of our people, then our people take care of us in return. So it's not that respect you can earn just like that, or people will start loving you just like that. You have to work for it. You have to earn their respect. These 4 names you can see written over here. These are places: Devgiri, Dwar, Samudra, Warangal, Madurai. These 4 places were captured by Malik Kafur. Now the strategy. We all know how far South India is from North India. And Alauddin Khilji's Delhi Sultanate seat was in Delhi. We know it very well that till this date, if you go if you choose airways, yes, we can reach early. But if we go by train, so to speak, then also you spend 3 days. So in those days, can you imagine with the help of horses how long it was? So was it easy to maintain the empire there, the provinces which you have won over there when you are staying all the time in North India? Just see the shrewdness. What did he do? These places, rulers were told that you are free to rule on your own, like the way you want. But in a certain amount of money in the form of tax, you have to pay to Alauddin Khilji. 2 birds were killed with 1 stone. These people accepted they were under Alauddin Khilji, and Alauddin Khilji was getting a certain amount of money on regular basis from them. What else you want? And what did they want? They were free to rule. Their people, common people, didn't even come to know that they are under Alauddin Khilji. This is known as strategy. You are sitting in North India and some parts of Deccan are under you, and you don't even have to go over there. This is how Alauddin Khilji is great, and his Deccan conquest or Deccan strategy, what he adopted. Even when you will read about Mughals, Aurangzeb, you have done in class 7. One nail in the coffin was his Deccan expedition only. He could not do things in that manner in which he did, Alauddin Khilji did. So learn from, why do we study history? So that we learn from it. If still date, like if the head of the family goes away from the family for years for something, obviously children will forget. So here the head of the family didn't go out. They did things. Thank you.